Hi, this is Victoria with healthmanifested.com, and I'm here to talk to you about Venus. Venus has some traits that are, it's charming, attractive, friendly, romantic, sensual, social, elegant, graceful, poetic, artistic, tactful, and diplomatic. It can also be overly romantic, sensually hedonistic, or indulgent. And Venus it's love, lust, pleasure seeking, relationships, sensuality, comfort, beauty, and art. It's the kind of bonds that we create with people and who we're attracted to. Venus is sensual, pleasure, creativity, how we relate to people, and the pursuit of happiness. It also is significant in a man's chart, and and also in a woman's chart. It signifies marriage, partnerships in both men and women's charts. It represents the wife in a man's chart. It signifies beauty, love, relationships, romance, as I mentioned earlier, creativity and art. It sets the rules that Jupiter is supposed to follow. Venus is the planet of decision making, assessing and evaluating situations, and it represents worldly wisdom. And that is my take on Venus.